Good morning, girls. We are on day 10. This is the beginner version for your extra workout. Okay, so we're combining the last 4 days worth of exercises into one workout. We're going to start off on our knees. It's not really going to be, whoa, that's a really big eagle. You don't see eagles in the city. I wonder what sign that is to me from the universe. Okay, we're going to start on our knees and then we're going to progress onto our back. Alrighty. So we've got our knee lowers to start off with. So if you separate your fingers wide, it's going to be a little bit better for your wrists, and have your knees hip width apart. Okay, so we're going to, on the exhale, we're going to lift our knees just slightly off of the floor and we're going to hover in this position. Alright, so belly to spine, pelvic floor engages, staying long through the neck and shoulders. We're going to lift up and we're going to hold. For 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Nice and slow. So we want to try and keep our back as flat as possible. Don't go in there. No, it doesn't go in there. Slowly lifting up. 3, 2, 1, and slowly relax. Okay, we're going to go for 2 more. Pelvic floor engages again, belly button draws back towards your spine. And relax. Okay, we've got 1 more. Three, 2, 1, and relax. So this one's really good to start with because it will kind of warm up your tummy for the rest of the exercises. Now our next one, we're going to do the same, but we're going to do like a mountain climber sort of thing with our knees. So lifting up, 1, 2, 3, last one, 4, slowly relax. Okay, we're going to do 1 more set, and pelvic floor engages again, belly button to spine, making sure that your head isn't dropping down. You stay long through the neck. Lifting up. 1, 2, nice and slow. 3, and 4, and relax. Awesome. Okay, onto our back. Then we're going to go back, side, belly. Ollie. Ollie.
What's that meant to do? No, not that.
Okay. We're going into, so we've got our leg pull. I'm pretty sure that's what I called it. Leg pull and then straight leg pull. So the beginner version is this a little bit on an angle. Okay, if you need to support your neck with one hand, that's completely fine. Make sure that you do it, but make sure that your head goes heavy into your hands rather than pulling on the neck. So spread your hands out wide, thumb goes down behind, down the side of the neck, and just let your head feel like it's really supported. Okay, so curling up. So the beginner version is going to be like doing our toe tap. So as we exhale, belly goes down, inhale in the middle, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Making sure that you're curled up as high as you can. Pelvic floor stays engaged. Every exhale, belly lowers down. If you can't do that, or it kind of goes out of whack, just re-engage. Belly down, curling up again, and go again. So exhale. We're going to go for 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6. Pull that knee in. 5, 4, 3, 2. 1 more. And relax. Now we're going into our straight leg pull. Okay, into the straight leg pull. So this one's more of like a leg stretch. Okay, so exactly the same with the leg. Inhale, exhale, exhale, exhale. So you're just going to do a toe tap with that foot. If you can extend it a little bit more, that's fine. 5 more. Support your neck if you need to. Last one. And relax. Okay, out. Now, we're going to repeat that one more time, and then we're going on to our side. Okay, we're going to go for 15. No, we're going to go for 14 so it's even. Exhale. Can you not press my eyeballs? Ow! Okay, stop! Okay, now straight leg. Exhale, belly down. Belly down. Trying to curl up as much as you can. Belly goes down. Last one. Okay. Okay, you need to move. We're going on our side now. Alright, on your side. That's how you do it with a kid. No, Ollie, if you touch it, you're in big trouble. On our side, knees in line with our hips, we're going into our hip lift. Okay, staying tall through the neck and shoulders, pelvic floor lifts up, belly button to spine. Lifting up through the fingers, we're going inhale to lower, look towards your fingers. Exhale, reach up and over. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So your hips don't fully touch the floor. Exhale, reaching up. So really reaching through the fingers. Exhale. Now if this is a bit hard with the with that movement, you can just inhale, exhale here, okay? So let's go for 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Swapping sides. What? You can go. You can go on the trampoline. I'll come after. So lifting up through the fingers, pelvic floor engages, belly button to spine. Staying tall through the neck and shoulder, lifting up tall. Inhale, exhale, up and over. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, belly to spine as you reach over. Inhale, exhale, re-engage. Inhale, exhale, re-engage. Now remember the other option, inhale, exhale. Relaxing through that neck and shoulder. Make sure that your elbow stays underneath your shoulder, because if it goes too far away, it will become quite hard. Inhale, 2 more. Last one, and relax. On your tummy, Supermans. Okay, so for beginners, we're going to go with our hands underneath our head, so it's not too strong for the upper body. Okay, so lengthening through the toes, belly button still goes to spine, pelvic floor engages. So we're going up, down, and we're going, no, wait, up, tap, down, up, down. Okay, so engage the butt cheeks, keeping the shoulders down and away from the ears. We're going to lift up, squeeze your butt, and down. So keep, almost think like boobs out, shoulder blades back. Exhale. 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 Looking directly in front of you. 5 more. 4. 3, squeeze your butt. Last one. And relax. Good. So I feel that just from above my bra line all the way down to my lower back and my butt and the backs of my legs as well. Okay, so your butt stays engaged the entire exercise, which is really good because then it works your butt a bit longer, lower back a little bit more. Okay, so we're going for another round, and this time, if you want to, actually no, we'll just keep your hands here. Okay, so we're going for 10. Off we go. Exhale. Pelvic floor stays engaged, belly button to spine. Shoulders back. Staying tall through the crown of the head. 4 more. 3. 2. Last one. Okay. Great. Sitting back on your heels, stretching out. So that was just your little combo for today. It wasn't as hard as the first block that we did, but that's okay. We might have one more on day 14. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it yet, because from that day onwards, then it's going to be your full-on workout. Okay, so I'm going to think about it. Leave it with me. But if you do want to do this round again, go for it. You can just redo the video. That's completely fine. Okay, so you will see me tomorrow for day 11. Have a lovely day. Bye.